Are you ready to unlock a powerful secret that could completely change your life? Imagine being able to manifest your deepest desires with just a few simple words. It sounds almost unbelievable. But what if I told you that by dedicating only 30 seconds of your day to this transformative practice, you can start to witness real changes within just 30 days? Yes, it's that quick. But here's the catch. You have to keep these 5 words to yourself. What we're about to explore today is a technique inspired by Deepak Chopra, which has the potential to align your mind, emotions, and spirit with the universe in a way that accelerates the manifestation of your dreams. Now, before we dive into the details, remember that this is not just about saying the words, but about connecting with the deeper meaning behind them. It's a process that involves focusing your energy inward and creating a powerful shift in your mindset. Ignore this, and you might miss out on tapping into a force that could literally change your life. Have you ever heard the saying, "The kingdom of heaven is within"? This is not just a metaphor, it's a profound truth. When you begin this manifestation technique, you're not simply speaking words into the air. Instead, you're diving deep into your inner world. Think of it like entering a sacred space, where you shut the door to the distractions of the outside world and immerse yourself in the feeling that your desire is already fulfilled. Imagine, for a moment, closing your eyes and shutting out the noise around you. In this quiet place within, you are not concerned with how things look in the physical world. Instead, you focus entirely on the feeling of having already received what you desire. Whether it's wealth, love, success, or happiness, the key is to lose yourself in the sensation that it is already yours. And once you truly believe that, the universe begins to work in ways you never thought possible. One of the most important aspects of this technique is gratitude. Before you even start to ask for what you want, take a moment to express deep, heartfelt gratitude for the blessings you already have. Gratitude has a unique energy that aligns your vibration with the energy of abundance. By being thankful for what you already have, you're telling the universe, "I am ready to receive more." Take a moment each day to write these simple words. "Thank you for blessing me with everything I desire." It's a statement of appreciation, but it's also a powerful affirmation that begins to shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. As you write these words, feel the gratitude radiating within you. Focus on the joy of having your desires already fulfilled, and you'll start to notice the shift almost immediately. Now, once you've embraced gratitude, it's time to add your specific desires into the mix. Visualization is an incredibly powerful tool in the manifestation process. When you visualize, you're essentially painting a picture in your mind of what you want to experience in reality. But this isn't just daydreaming. It's about vividly imagining yourself living the life you desire. Start by visualizing the outcome you want, whether it's financial freedom, a loving relationship, or vibrant health. Picture it as clearly as possible. The more detailed you are, the stronger your connection will be. But here's the key. Don't just see it in your mind's eye. Feel it. How would you feel if you already had what you're asking for? What emotions would you experience? Joy? Relief? Excitement? Whatever those feelings are, embrace them fully. Now, let's get into the core of the technique, the 5 words that can change your life. These words are simple yet incredibly powerful when used with intention. What are they? Thank you for everything I desire. Yes, those are the words. You might be thinking, that's it? But don't be fooled by their simplicity. When you write these words with deep belief and emotional connection, they become a direct communication with the universe. You're not just saying thank you, you're expressing a profound certainty that your desires are already being fulfilled. So here's what you do. Take a few moments each day and write these words down. As you write, feel the gratitude within you. Imagine that you already have what you're asking for, and let the joy and appreciation flow through you. This is the secret to speeding up the manifestation process, feeling as if it's already done. Now, if you're really serious about accelerating your results even faster, I have something that could change the game for you. A PhD neuroscientist has recently revealed a fascinating technique, a 7-second Tesla ritual, that's been proven to attract money quickly. Imagine using the same principles you're learning here, but supercharged with scientific insights. This isn't just another manifestation trick. It's based on real neuroscience and could take your abundance to the next level. You don't want to miss out on this. Check out the link in the first pinned comment to discover this life-changing ritual today. Remember, opportunities like these don't come around every day, so if you don't check it out now, you could be passing up a method that has the potential to transform your financial reality faster than you ever thought possible. Take a look before it's too late. But for now, let's dive back into our exploration. It's important to understand that this practice goes beyond simply writing words on a piece of paper. To truly manifest your desires, you need to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you want to create. This alignment is key because it sets the foundation for manifestation, ensuring that every part of your being is working in harmony toward your goal. When you write those words down, you're not just going through a routine. You're signaling to your mind, body, and spirit that you're ready to receive what you desire. But the process doesn't stop there. You must carry that energy with you throughout your day. This means maintaining a mindset of positivity, expectation, and unwavering belief, even when life presents challenges. It's easy to lose focus when things aren't going as planned, but it's in those moments that your commitment to your vision truly matters. Manifesting is like planting a seed. Writing those words is the first step, but you need to water that seed daily with positive thoughts, emotions, and actions that align with the life you're seeking. The more you focus on the outcome you want, the more your subconscious mind begins to work behind the scenes, directing your decisions, actions, and even opportunities toward making your dream a reality. And this isn't just spiritual advice. It's grounded in science. You may have heard of the observer effect in quantum physics, which suggests that our thoughts and consciousness can influence the physical world. At the subatomic level, particles behave differently when observed, meaning our very attention can shape reality. What does this mean for you? When you consistently focus your energy on your desires, when you visualize, write them down, and truly feel as though they're already manifesting, you're literally shifting the energy around you. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions start to synchronize with the frequency of what you want to attract. This is more than just positive thinking. It's about being the person who already has what you want. Whether it's abundance, love, success, or health, act as though it's already yours. Make decisions from that place of fulfillment. When you live from this space, the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. Opportunities will start to appear, people who can help you will show up, and the pieces of the puzzle will begin to fall into place as if by magic. In short, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires activates a powerful chain reaction. It's as if the universe is a mirror, reflecting back exactly what you project outwardly. Stay focused on what you want, embrace the feelings of already having it, and watch as reality starts to bend to your will. Another essential aspect of this manifestation technique is faith. When you write these words and visualize your desires, you need to truly believe that they will come to pass. Doubt can be a major roadblock in the manifestation process, so it's crucial to have unwavering faith in the power of the universe. Take a moment to reflect on the Bible verse. Whatever things you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you will have them. This isn't just a spiritual teaching. It's a universal truth. The key is to believe wholeheartedly that what you're asking for is already on its way to you. When you align your faith with your desires, you become a magnet for the things you want. At this point, you've embraced gratitude, visualized your outcome, and written down the 5 powerful words. Now it's time to get specific. What exactly do you want to manifest? Whether it's money, love, health, or success, write it down in detail. For example, if you want financial abundance, write something like this: "Thank you for blessing me with all the wealth I desire. I am so grateful for the financial freedom I now have." Be as detailed as possible and feel the joy of already having it. As much as we'd all love for our desires to magically appear, manifestation also requires action. While the universe is working behind the scenes, it's important for you to take steps toward your goals. This doesn't mean you have to work hard or struggle, but you do need to be open and ready to act when opportunities arise. Stay alert to the signs and synchronicities that appear in your life. These are often the universe's way of guiding you toward the fulfillment of your desires. When you see an opportunity that aligns with what you're manifesting, take action. Trust that the universe is supporting you and move confidently in the direction of your dreams. In conclusion, this simple yet powerful manifestation technique is all about aligning your energy, thoughts, and actions with the life you want to create. By writing these 5 words, "Thank you for everything I desire," and truly believing in the power behind them, you can accelerate the process of manifesting your deepest desires. Remember, it's not just about the words themselves, but the feeling and belief you put into them. As you continue to practice this technique daily, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your life. Opportunities will arise, doors will open, and your desires will begin to materialize in ways you never expected. So, take a few minutes each day to write these words, visualize your desires, and embrace the gratitude and joy of already having them. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and watch as the magic unfolds. And don't forget, keep this secret to yourself. The power of this technique lies in your connection with the universe. Stay tuned for more life-changing content by subscribing to the channel, and may your desires manifest quickly and abundantly.